Hi friends, welcome to Radha's Food Court. Today I'm going to present a very delicious pumpkin curry. It's called Mathanga Vanpayar Erissery. So, let's see the ingredients. We need coconut, main thing. I'm dividing coconut into two portions, one for grinding and other for sorting. I have taken white cowpea soaked in water for half an hour, coconut along with cumin seeds and green chili, coconut along with one red chili and some curry leaves for sorting. I have taken turmeric powder, chili powder, mustard seeds and some split urad dal and required water and salt. I am again explaining to you what to do with the two portion of coconut. One for grinding and other part we will sort it with coconut oil. It should not get brownish, so we have to be very careful when sorting it. You can replace the white cowpea with red cowpea. Normally we use the red cowpea. Here I couldn't find it, that's why I replaced with the white cowpea. You can cut the pumpkin into big pieces so that it will not get diluted in the water. Let's grind the coconut. Add required water for getting a smooth paste. Take a vessel, add our cut pumpkin, required water along with some turmeric, red chili powder and some required amount of salt. We can cook this in open vessel, no need to pressure cook. Meantime, let's take a pan, add some oil. Add some mustard seeds, split urad dal. Once it gets splattered, we will add our coconut and sort it very well. You can split that red chili which I mentioned earlier into 2 or 3 small pieces. We'll sort till we get a required brownish consistency. It should not become overburnt. So we have to be very careful. You have to be near the pan. You have to keep on stirring. Our pumpkin is getting cooked very well. So we will add our coconut paste to this and let it cook together for few minutes. Our coconut is also getting ready and now it's in golden brown color. We will take off from the pan and keep it in a plate. Later we can add this to our pumpkin curry and again we will cook for few minutes. Now I am adding the roasted coconut to it. Now it's time to add our cooked cowpea. I have cooked cowpea with 2 whistles. We can check the salt also at this stage. Let's cook it for another 5 minutes in a closed pan. Everything is blended so well. Now it's time to taste the food. Do try this pumpkin recipe and let me know in the comment section. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Radhu's Food Court. Have a nice time.